Om Namah Shivaya. It is extremely unbelievable collection of conch from Indian Ocean with dual head. You can see two head, one, two. This conch is called as Shiva Ganga conch. Shiva top Ganga, Shiva Ganga conch. Extremely unbelievable collection. See, you can see here one head, one mouth, one conch, top, another conch. One conch, top, another conch. Extremely very rarest formation and the conch history, and it is a Indian Ocean puja conch. Totally unbelievable conch collection from the Indian Ocean. It's a Shiva Ganga conch. Shiva and Ganga. By having this conch with you, you will feel extreme spiritual energy, and you will feel Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Extremely unbelievable collection from the Indian Ocean. Dual head conch with dual opening. Two opening. Shiva Ganga conch. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.